What is going on, guys? July is finally here, and I want to give you 10 crops that you can still grow right now and harvest them this season. Let's get to it. We're going to start with everyone's favorite, and that would be tomatoes. Believe it or not, guys, you can still grow tomatoes in July. Now, of course, they don't do too well with the heavy heat and humidity, so make sure you are watering consistently, and they should thrive just fine. Look at my tomatoes right now, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I harvest so many all the time. For number 2 on the list, we got cucumbers. Now, cucumbers are very great to grow during the season because they require full sun. Fantastic time to plant them. You can plant them in the soil or container. They make fantastic container plants. They are quite high maintenance in my opinion. Every single time I grow cucumbers, I don't do too well, but they do require very even watering. So don't water too little, don't water too much, but they should do just fine if you grow them right now in July. For number 3 on the list, we got Swiss chards. Now you guys know I absolutely love Swiss chard. I grow so much. Just this plant right here, I've harvested them over and over and over. They prefer really high heat. They don't do frost really well at all, so July is an absolute perfect time. They will thrive, they will produce nonstop. You'll be harvesting like every 2 weeks, guys. You'll get plenty of Swiss chard, so grow some of these guys. Number 4 on the list would be any type of lettuce. You can see back here on this garden bed, I did chaos gardening with a whole bunch of different type of lettuce. They grow really fast, very easy to take care of. They do great in the heat. Give it some shade too as well, you know, that way they can grow evenly. You'll be able to harvest them in like 30 to 45 days. You can even harvest them over and over and over with the cut and come again method. Highly recommend lettuce. Super easy to grow, very great for salads, snacks, whatever it is. Grow some, guys. For number 5 on the list, it would be any type of bush beans or pole beans. This right here is sugar daddies. They are absolutely delicious and my absolute favorite. Tastes just like sugar. They grow really well. They do require full sun. You'll harvest them in like 60 days, I would say, but they do produce non-stop. Great for snacking. Come out into the garden, pick some, eat them. Delicious. Now for number 6 on the list, it is my absolute, probably my number 1 crop that I love to grow, and that would be okras. You can see right here, I got 7 okra plants. You've seen so many of my shorts, my videos, I just love harvesting them. They produce these nice, crunchy, sweet snacks. I know some people would say that it tastes slimy, but if you harvest them fresh, man, a great, crunchy texture. Delicious, amazing. Easy to grow, they produce over and over and over, so I highly recommend you guys grow some okras, guys. Please grow some. Now for number 7, we start moving on to our fall crops. And the first one that I recommend would be broccolis. Broccolis are absolutely delicious. Very easy to grow. You can eat the floret, the stem, the leaves. You can eat literally the whole plant. And if you harvest them right before they bolt, it tastes like sugar. No one believes me. I harvested bolted broccolis before. I made a short about it. It tastes just like candy. Give it a try, test it out. I highly recommend it, guys. For number 8, we got Brussels sprouts. Basically miniature cabbages. They do take a little bit longer to mature, about 80 to 90 days before you can get your first harvest, but they're very great for snacking. Very healthy too, guys. For number 9 on the list, we got a superfood, guys, and that's kale. You can see right here, I've been growing kale all season long. You can grow it early, you can grow it right now. They're great fall crops, very healthy. Pick them off, eat them raw. You can make them as kale chips. Very easy to grow, but it's a super green, guys, so super healthy. Easy. The 2 variety I have right here, you know, it takes about 55 days to 90 days to harvest. So give it a try. Great fall crop, very healthy. And last on the list, you can still grow in July, and that would be carrots. This variety here is a short and sweet variety. My raised beds are not very tall, so I chose this variety for that specific reason. You can chaos garden with this. Just spread them everywhere. It will grow just fine. I did it last year. I had a huge harvest. Super delicious, and it's very fragrant too. And you can eat the top of the carrots. You can make pesto out of it. So I highly recommend you guys growing carrots, right guys? There you go, guys. Those are 10 crops that you can still grow right now in July and harvest this season. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please leave me a like, subscribe, and comment below on what you're growing this week. And as always, happy gardening.